soft gold on the bend. Spanish moss is swaying like a prayer in the wind. Robert and Misti stand where hearts belong, on a pontoon boat of promises where forever feels this strong.
Crystal water, cypress shadow, family smiling on the shore. Every little whisper says,
this is what we're here for. And forever floats down the rainbow today, with the morning sun showing us the way.
Robert and Misti, hand in hand,
starting forever in this promised land.
crystal water shining bright above.
The river carried us straight into love,
On a little pontoon beneath skies so blue.
the Rainbow River brought me home to you.
Shoes are off and hearts are open, vows are shaking in the air. Friends and family, tears and laughter, God's own blessing everywhere.
Old Florida's holding this beautiful new name. Two lives braided like the river,
Never twice the same. Sunshine dancing on the current, rolling silver through the trees.
every face around us says this is meant to be. And forever floats down the rainbow today, with the morning sun showing us the way.
Robert and Misti, hand in hand,
Starting forever in this promised land.
crystal water shining bright above.
The river carried us straight into love,
On a little pontoon beneath skies so blue.
the Rainbow River brought me home to you. There's a kind of holy in a morning like this,
In the hush of the water, in the warmth of a kiss,
where the cypress and sunshine and family all lean.
watch two hearts step into the dream. And if love needs a place to bloom and grow,
You found it here in the gentle flow.
and forever floats down the rainbow today,
With the morning sun showing us the way.